Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to loop a video on CapCut PC. If you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, open CapCut on your PC. Okay, the first thing you want to do, just go click on the video, right click with your mouse, click on copy, right click again with your mouse and click on paste. This duplicate the clip and it will make the video loop. But the problem you will encounter after doing this is you will hear a restart sound where the clip is ending. What you're gonna do? Okay, just come to the end of the video and here delete the blank audio sound by going on split like this and just delete the video or the audio, same thing. Okay, after deleting the audio, go over here to transition and type here mix and add this effect mix. And that's it, you're good to go. As you can see, apply this transition to all the clip and cut the blank audio part and you're good to go. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.